I'm sure that you have seen channels like this that are currently going viral and have tons of views with thousands of subscribers, and you might think creating these videos is going to be very complicated, but owners behind these channels are spending less than 2 hours to make videos for these channels because the process is super easy and these channels are making pretty good amount of money. In this video, I will show you exactly how to create videos like this and start your own YouTube channel and start making a reasonable amount of money. You see, this channel is also making thousands of dollars with its niche, and you can see how many views it has. This 100,000 subscribers with just 55 videos. There is one simple thing that all these channels have in common. They all use these simple stick figures for visuals. So without further ado, let's start this video creation process. You can do this with any niche like motivational niche or self-improvement niche or any educational niche, any educational purpose. However, check this video I just made with the stick video animations.
Alright, imagine this. You're scrolling through your phone, and you see a text from that one person who makes your heart race. You have to reply. That, my friend, is attachment. But wait, it's not just about people. It's your old hoodie, your childhood teddy bear, or even your favorite mug. Why do we get so attached? Simple, our brains love comfort and connection. But sometimes, attachment holds us back. Like keeping old messages you should have deleted ages ago. So, hold on to what makes you happy, but let go when it's time. And hey, don't get too attached, just hit like and subscribe.
We are going to recreate this video from scratch. This is going to be a simple and fun video to watch. Make sure to watch the video to the end without missing any part because it's very important. This process only has 3 steps and I'm going to be making use of these 3 tools to do this. For the starting, we are going to be making use of ChatGPT to generate a script. Then for the voiceover, we are going to be making use of 11 Lab, which is one of my favorite tools. Then for the final part, which is to create the stick figure animation, we are going to be making use of Canva to finish the whole process. Okay, once you're on the ChatGPT, you can go over and paste your script. Now this is the script, so what you just do is you can copy this exactly, but just change the topic over here. So my own topic is what is an attachment, so I'm just going to add this, then I'll send this now. So you wait, ChatGPT is going to generate the script for us. ChatGPT has generated the script for us, so you can click over here to view it more. Then you can just come over here, you can copy this. Now once you go over to level lamps, you can just come over here and click on voice. Once you have clicked on voice, it's going to come over here. You just pick a normal voice, not a voice that has bars. You just need a normal voice for this. So you can just come here, you can just come over to this my voice. This is where I already have some voices. You can just play them.
I believe that we are fundamentally the...
You gotta be careful if you don't know where you're going because you might not get there.
Okay, I like this voice, so I'm going to use this. I'll just click on use. Once I click on this, I'm going to erase this and just paste my own script. Okay, so this is my own script. Then I'll go over here and click on generate. So you're done with exporting the audio from your 11 Lab, you come over to your Canva where we are going to do the most important part of this section. So the next step you're going to do is come over here and click on this create a design. Now once you click on create on design, you just come over here and type YouTube video. Now you click on this, it's going to bring you to a whiteboard page. Now on this whiteboard page, we are going to increase the duration to like 40 minutes or 30 seconds. So once you have increased it to 30 seconds, the next step we're going to do is we're going to come over here to this element. Then we're going to search for paper background. So once you click on paper background, you come over here to photos. I'm going to see all, then I'm going to select the one I'm going to be making use of. So let me use this. Now once you click on this, you make it full screen, let it cover the whole whiteboard. Now after this, the next step is for us to import our audio we generated from 11 Labs. So I'm going to go over here to upload, then I upload the audio I generated. Now once you're done importing the audio, you can just drag it to your timeline and now drop it. Now you can see that it's 30 minutes is stopped at, so you can drag this to the end, just increase this so you can get the remaining of the audio. You can see. So I'll just drag this one more time, drag this again, and I'm okay. So I'll just come over here and click on S, then I click on this and delete it. Then you can come over back to here. So what we're going to do, we're going to divide this video into different sections. The different sections are the parts where we're going to be adding our clip, which we're going to generate from here, the animated clips. So I'm going to listen to this.
All right, imagine this.
Imagine this. So I'm just going to cut from this place. Once you reach the place you want to cut, you click on S. I'll keep playing.
You're scrolling through your phone.
Scrolling through phone. I click on S.
And you see a text from that one person who makes your heart race.
Then I click on S.
You have to reply.
I click on S.
That, my friend, is attachment. But
Then you do this for others. So once you're done 3 minutes, you go over to the first page, which is this. Now the next step we're going to do is come over to this element. Now on this element you come over here and type Stickman. Once you type Stickman, you're going to see a lot of options. So we're going to head over to the graphics, then click on see all. Now on the see all, you can see a lot of Stickman animations here. So you're just going to select the one you're comfortable with, or the one you just feel like it's okay with you. Okay, so I'm going to select this option. Now once I click on this option, for me to see more of these animations, I'll click on these 3 dots over here. Now after clicking on this 3 dots, I'll just click on view more by this user. You can see everything this user has created is here. I'll just come over to see all. Now I can see all the animations. So the next step for me to do here is to come over here and listen to my clips one by one and add these animations where they are meant to be added. So what I'm going to do here is listen to this.
all right, imagine this.
So I'm just going to type imagine. You can see someone imagining. So I'll just increase this, increase it very well. Next, then I'll play the next.
You're scrolling through your phone.
Scrolling through phone. Then I'm going to find a clip scrolling through phone. So I can just type phone, and I'm going to see a lot of options. Okay, you can see this one. So I'll just increase this. Okay, so I'll go over to the next one.
Scrolling through your phone.
Now
And you see a text from that one person who makes your heart race.
you see a text. So I'm just going to look for someone looking at the text. So you can see this. I'll use this one is a perfect example. It's a perfect example for this clip. Then I'll go over to the next one.
You have to reply.
You have to reply. So these 2 is okay. Then I'll go over to the next one.
That, my friend, is attachment. That, my friend, is it.
And that word for attachment, I can just find someone together. Now this is a perfect example for attachment. So I'm just going to zoom this. Then I'll play this and go over to the next
Attachment.
one.
But wait, it's not just a. Wait, it.
So I'm just going to look for something like weight. So I'm just going to do this. I'll use this for an example. So I'll just come over to text. I'll add this. Then I click this and remove this. I come over here. Then I listen to this back. So I'll know what they said over here. Okay?
Wait, it's not just about people. Wait, it's not just about people.
Wait. Then I'll reduce this. Maybe I'll just make this capital letter. Then the next thing I'm going to search for here, I'm going to go back to this element and search for people. This is okay. Then I'll go over to the next.
It's your old hoodie.
So once you're done adding these animations, you can just go over here and add your music. Now where you can get this music from is YouTube audio library. So once you come over to YouTube audio library, you can just come here and select a song that matches the video. So once you're done importing the audio from your YouTube library, you just click on it and drag it and add it down. This is okay. So once you have added it, you're good to go. You can just head over here and play it.
Alright, imagine this. You're scrolling.
Okay, let me go back.
Alright, imagine this. You're scrolling through your phone, and you see a text from that one person who makes your heart race. You have to reply. That, my friend, is attachment. But wait, it's not just about people. It's your...
So now what you can do is just select this. You can even reduce the sound of your music, reduce it a bit. You can also come over here and increase the audio or reduce it a bit. So let me play
You're
this.
scrolling through your phone, and you see it.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reduce this audio a bit, and I feel this is okay to
Your
go.
heart race. You have to reply. That, my friend, is attachment. But wait, it's not just about people. It's your old hoodie, your childhood teddy bear, or even your favorite mug. Why do we get so attached?
So
Our brain...
once you're done, you just come over here, you click on this share, then click on this download button, then you can select it. Just video is what you need. You click on download and your video will start downloading. So that is it for this tutorial on how to create this animation. If you want to learn more things on how to grow on YouTube, or you want to learn everything regarding AdSense loading or your YouTube AdSense loading, or how to grow your YouTube channel, this is the perfect channel for you. So you can go ahead and click on the subscription button and watch the next video above. Alright.